Hi guys, Namaskar, I'm Ronit and welcome back to my channel The Bong Connection. Today I'm going to react to a song called Soni De Nakhade Sone Lagde Manu Soni De Nakhade Sone Lagde from the movie Partner starring Salman Khan, Govinda, Katrina Kaif and Lara Datta in leading roles, and this movie the music was by Sajid Wajid. So I'm doing this on one purpose because we don't like, it's kind of a tribute to the music by Sajid Wajid because Wajid Khan died recently, and it's really sad because like he was one of the most prominent music directors we had in the industry, and it's really sad that we lost such gems. This year is really bad for Bollywood, so I just wanted to pay a small tribute with this song, and it's one of my favorite songs from this movie. And in fact, I really love this song. The choreography is on a whole new different level, amazing. And if Govinda is there needs to be good choreography. And I really love this movie. It's like a guilty pleasure of mine because I love like watching this movie and having a great time. And Govinda was phenomenal. Like, yeah, I mean, he was the best thing about this movie. So yeah, let's react to this song. I will definitely crack some moves. This move. Poppy chip. Yeah, I'm going to do that. Anyway, here's my reaction in 3, 2, 1 and go.
What an idiot. God, what is he doing, God?
Stereotypical gay roles they used to give this guy.
Such a stupid basket.
ਸੋਹਣੀ ਤੇ ਨੱਕਦੇ ਸੋਹਣੇ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਤੇ ਨੱਕਦੇ ਸੋਹਣੇ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਤੇ ਨੱਕਦੇ ਸੋਹਣੇ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਤੇ ਨੱਕਦੇ ਸੋਹਣੇ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਮੋਹ ਪੱਤੀ ਜੈਮ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਏ ਉਹ ਜਾਣੇ ਜਾਣਾ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਮੋਹ ਪੱਤੀ ਜੈਮ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਏ ਓਏ 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 ਮੋਹ ਪੱਤੀ ਜੈਮ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਏ ਉਹ ਜਾਣੇ ਜਾਣਾ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਮੋਹ ਪੱਤੀ ਜੈਮ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਏ ਉਹ ਜਾਣੇ ਜਾਣਾ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਤੇ ਨੱਕਦੇ ਸੋਹਣੇ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਤੇ ਨੱਕਦੇ ਸੋਹਣੇ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਤੇ ਨੱਕਦੇ ਸੋਹਣੇ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਤੇ ਨੱਕਦੇ ਸੋਹਣੇ ਲੱਗਦੇ
I love Govinda. His expressions are awesome. I remember this.
ਦੀ ਜਵਾਨੀ ਆਹ ਆਹ ਉਹ ਬਿੱਤੇ ਤਨ ਹਨ ਰਾਣੀ ਆਹ ਆਹ ਉਹ 4 ਦਿਨ ਦੀ ਜਵਾਨੀ ਆਹ ਆਹ ਉਹ ਬਿੱਤੇ ਤਨ ਹਨ ਰਾਣੀ ਆਹ ਆਹ ਉਹ ਪਿਆਰ ਤੇਰਾ ਮੈਂ ਰੱਖਾਂਗਾ ਆਹ ਆਹ ਉਹ ਸਾਰੀ ਆਂਖੋਂ ਤੇ دیਵਾਨੀ ਆਹ ਆਹ ਓਏ ਓਏ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਤੇ ਨੱਕਦੇ ਸੋਹਣੇ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਉਹ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਤੇ ਨੱਕਦੇ ਸੋਹਣੇ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਤੇ ਨੱਕਦੇ ਸੋਹਣੇ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਉਹ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਤੇ ਨੱਕਦੇ ਸੋਹਣੇ ਲੱਗਦੇ
Okay, I'm a little dusty, but I used to remember all the steps when this first came. I remembered every steps.
ਕੁੜੀ ਨਾਲ ਮੇਰੇ ਨੱਚ ਲੈ ਆਹ ਆਹ ਉਹ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬਾਹਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੱਸ ਲੈ ਆਹ ਆਹ ਓਏ ਕੁੜੀ ਨਾਲ ਮੇਰੇ ਨੱਚ ਲੈ ਆਹ ਆਹ ਉਹ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬਾਹਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੱਸ ਲੈ ਆਹ ਆਹ ਆ ਜਾ ਇਸ਼ਕਾਂ ਦੀ ਗਲੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਹ ਆਹ ਉਹ ਥੋੜਾ ਧੀਲੇ ਥੋੜਾ ਮਾਰ ਲੈ ਆਹ ਆਹ
Yes. Oh, I had such a great time. I know I've been dancing throughout the whole video. It's more than a reaction and more than what you actually expect. And there are many people who always complain that don't move your hands, don't move your body. I don't really care. I love songs, I love dance numbers, I love Bollywood numbers, and when it comes to dancing, nobody can stop me. Even if it's a sad song, I have to move my body, and I love it. Sorry, if you don't like it, please go away, don't watch it. So yeah, I really have so many good memories about the soundtrack of this movie. The soundtrack of this movie is really good. They have such amazing songs from this movie. I remember like My Love, Jaane Jayo My Love. This song, that song is really good. And then Dupatta Tera Na Rang Tha, Ae Ni Mera Dil Mangta. I remember this song. The Sherwani Govinda was wearing. I really love that Sherwani. Love the color of that Sherwani. And yeah, I have to watch all the songs again. So please comment down below your suggestions. I had a great time watching this. I love the choreography in the song especially, and I thought that Salman outdid himself because he's not the best dancer, but in this song he really killed it. And to match the energy and attitude of Govinda is not easy. So yeah, he did a fabulous job. The hats off to Salman for that. And he, of course, he had so much swag and everything, but still in this song, it's not easy. This choreography, it took really good time for me to learn this choreography, and it was really good. I love this. Who doesn't love that? That signature move is awesome. I love the fact that they didn't repeat it again and again. They actually made so many variations of it, and that really looked amazing. Overall, total thumbs up for this song. The vocals are amazing and the music is amazing. Totally beautifully composed by both Sajid and Wajid. And I think who is the singer? Oh, it's Wajid himself. See, so Wajid was a great singer as well. I remember the song Muktasar from Teri Meri Kahani, one of my favorite romantic songs of all time. And it's Love Jajua and Sneha Pant as well for the female vocals. So overall, total thumbs up for this song. Guys, if you guys enjoyed my reaction and thoughts about the song, then please put a thumbs up and on your thoughts suggestions for more such throwback suggestions. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. I'll be seeing you guys again. Until then, ciao.